Today we will discuss all important articles related to economy. The total important articles in economy today here are 12. If you see the first article, net FDI hits 45-month high in February. So this can be read from page number 13, business section. If you see the brief summary of it, India net foreign direct investment reached to 45-month high in February. This indicates renewed foreign investor confidence in India's growth potential, reforms and economic stability. FDI is important for jobs, infrastructure and technology transfer. If you see the key highlights, net FDI at 45-month high, weak trend reserved, foreign confidence improved, supports job creation, technology inflow rises and positive external sector sign. You can see the subject relevance, FDI, external sector and investment. Exam importance is UPSC prelims, GS3, banking, RBI and NABARD SSC CGL exams. Next comes to article number 2, India-U.S. trade talks described as constructive. If we see, this can be seen in page number 1, front page, page 12, news section. Brief summary is, India said trade talks with United States were constructive. Discussions likely include tariffs, market access, supply chains and investment. Strong trade ties can boost exports and strategic cooperation. Key highlights are trade talks positive, tariff discuss, market access focus, exports may increase, support chain cooperation possible and bilateral ties strengthen. If you see the subject relevance, international trade, bilateral trade agreement. Exam relevance, exam importance is UPSC prelims, GS2, GS3, banking, RBI Grade B and SSC exams. Next comes article 3. Here RBI cancels Paytm payments bank license. This can be read from page number 13, business section. The summary here is, Reserve Bank of India cancelled the license of Paytm payments bank due to regulatory concerns. It reflects RBI's role in protecting depositors, ensuring compliance and regulating fintech institutions. Key highlights here are RBI cancelled license, compliance concern cited, consumer protection priority, fintech regulation strengthened, banking discipline enforced, major financial development. So next, if you see the subject relevance is RBI banking regulation, fintech, and exam importance is it is important for banking PO, clerk, RBI Grade B, NABARD, UPSC and SSC. Next comes article number 4 in today's newspaper. Rupee ends weaker against US dollar. This can be read from page number 13, business section. If you see the summary, the Indian rupee weakened against the US dollar due to global market pressure. A weak rupee market imports costlier and may rise inflation, but exporters can benefit. Key highlights here are rupee depreciated, dollar strengthened, imports costlier, inflation risk rises, exporters may gain, and forex volatility is visible. The subject relevance here are currency, forex and inflation. This is important for all these exams like UPSC prelims, banking, RBI Grade B and SSC exams. Next comes article number 5 in today's newspaper. JSW Steel and JFE to invest 32,000 crore rupees. This can be read from page number 13, business section. If you see the summary, JSW Steel and Japan's JFE announced a 32,000 crore rupees investment to expand steel capacity in India. This supports manufacturing growth, jobs and infrastructure demand. If you see the key highlights, 32,000 crore investment, steel capacity expansion, manufacturing boosted, employment is likely, India-Japan partnership strong, private investment confidence shown. If you see the subject relevance here, industry, manufacturing, investment, and exam importance is UPSC GS3, banking, SSC, state PSC. Next comes article number 6, Mines Ministry announces 5,000 crore rupees investment scheme. This can be read from page number 13, business section. If you see this brief summary, the Mines Ministry launched a 5,000 crore rupees scheme to promote mining and domestic production of strategic minerals. It aims to reduce import dependence and strengthen industrial supply chains. If you see the key highlights, 5,000 crore schemes launched, mining promoted, strategic mineral focus, import dependence reduced, supply security improved, and policy support measure. Next, if we see the subject relevance in mining, industry and government policy. Exam importance is UPSC GS3, SSC, banking, state PSCs. Next comes article number 7, mixed signal in Indian economy. This can be read from page number 13, business section. If you see the summary, reports indicated mixed trends in the Indian economy. Some sectors are growing well, while others faces pressure from inflation, weak demand and global slowdown. Key highlights here are mixed growth signals, some sectors resilient, inflation concern remains, demand uneven, global slowdown risk, policy response important. The subject relevance here are growth and macroeconomics. If we see exam importance, UPSC GS3, banking, RBI grade B and SSC exams. Next comes article number 8. Reliance Industries G4 profit falls 13%. This can be read from page number 13, business section. The brief summary here is Reliance Industries reported a 13% fall in quarterly profit due to weaker oil and gas performance. Corporate earnings influence stock markets and economic sentiment. If you see the key highlights, profit down by 13%, oil and gas are weak, dividend announced, market sentiment impacted, major corporate result, energy sector relevance, and if you see subject relevance here, economy, corporate sector, markets and energy. The exam importance is banking, SSC, UPSC, state PSCs exam. Next, if you see article, 9th article, IndusInd Bank beats profit estimates. This can be read from page number 13, business section. The brief summary here is IndusInd Bank posted better than expected profits, supported by lower fresh bad loans. It indicates improved asset quality and heavier banking operations. Key highlights here are profit beat estimates, lower NPAs helped, asset quality improved, positive banking signal, credit health visibility and investors confidence rises. Subject relevance here are banking, NPAs and financial stability. This can be important for all these exams like banking PO, RBI grade B, NABARD and SSC exam. Next comes article number 10. This says government clears 30 billion rupees withdrawal from Maldives. This can be read from page number 10, news section. If you see the summary, India approved a 30 billion rupee financial move linked to Maldives. Such steps support neighborhood diplomacy and strategic influence in the Indian Ocean region. Key highlights here are rupees 30 billion decision cleared, Maldives linked, economic diplomacy tool, strategic move, regional influence matters, and bilateral ties relevant. The subject relevance here are economy, diplomacy, and external assistance. And it is important for these exams like UPSC GS2, GS3, SSC, state PSCs. Next comes article number 11. Over 6 lakh register for CBSE second board exam. This can be read from page number 12, news section. If you see the summary, more than 6 lakh students registered for the CBSE second board exam. Education reforms improve human capital, skills, and future productivity. Key highlights here are over 6 lakh registered, flexible exam system accepted, human capital relevance, skill development linked, education reform visible, long-term economic value. Subject relevance are human capital, education, economics, and it is important for exams like UPSC GS3, SSC, state PSCs. Next comes article number 12. Proposed pesticide bill raises industry concern. This can be read from page number 12, news section. If you see the summary, industry groups raise concern over a proposed pesticide bill. It may affect agrochemical farm productivity, cost, and public health safeguards. If you see the key highlights here, industry concerns rise, pesticide bill discussed, agriculture impact possible, public health relevance, regulatory cost issue, and policy debate continues. If you see subject relevance, agriculture, industry, regulation, public policy, and exam importance here is GS paper 3, NABARD, SSC, state PCSE. Thank you. See you in the next video. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next video.